My name is Megan Ariola, and I'm the CEO of Nexus Health Solutions. We're a medical laboratory and a public health clinic. The reason we started the lab is because during COVID, my husband was a home health nurse, and his patients were not able to get access to testing.
The idea of the company is to create a connection in the community and reach out healthcare.
There was nobody offering tests for people, either because they didn't have a vehicle to be able to drive to testing sites or because they were homebound.
We got $2,000 out of a savings that I had, bought a small little van, and we decided to go around town offering free testing.
We started doing facilities for drug rehabilitation, women's shelters, migrant camps. We were working, 16-hour days, 7 days a week.
And we were doing about 300 to 500 people a day.
The way we heard about QuidelOrtho is we have the Ortho VITROS. That is the instrument we decided to go to for chemistry.
I love the idea of the technology. I love the concept of a waterless system in a desert area where we already have no water accessible.
Accurate testing is one of the most important things that we were focusing on. So that was our first one. And after that, we were able to meet a lot of the sales reps and trainers.
El Paso was actually an area that I picked up. I didn't cover it before. I came out here just to see if I could come by and introduce myself and say hello and introduce them as their new account manager. And we came in, they showed me the 7600, we had some good conversation, and that was the start of something that I believe is quite special.
Our relationship with Mark is really more of being friends with someone than our actual sales rep.
I've always said that anytime you go into business, you go into a relationship. And with Mark, it's built up such a nice thing. The ability to have someone to reach out and feel like someone cares and acknowledges you as a customer, it's such a unique experience.
I'll share a piece of advice that I was given on my first day in this industry. If your customer sees you more and likes you more than they like your competition, they'll buy your products.
Mark did a great job in terms of trying to uncover the needs and what's important for Nexus Health, what's important for the patients that they serve.
First product we added was a SOLANA, and then from there we added a SOFIA, a Triage, and now obviously the first SAVANNA in the US.
Nexus Health it's just an amazing lab. Not only do they have just amazing equipment, they have the entire QuidelOrtho line.
Every one of those products have a real unique method of use for them. The VITROS is able to come in, handle their large volumes, handle all of their chemistry needs, all of their immunoassay needs.
We got the 7600, but we wanted something quicker. Then the SOLANA came in, and it was just a great game changer for us. Then they told me about the SOFIA.
The SOFIA is a great product for them. They have some vans that go out around the community. The portability of that SOFIA 2, along with the battery life of it, means that they can take that out of the lab and go get results right where they need to get them.
They told me about Triage, and Triage is nice. We have the capability within the testing that Triage does in the ortho, but it's nice to have small volumes. The Triage allows us to be able to fit in those small little gaps where we wouldn't be able to do it in other occasions and decrease our cost per test.
It's really important for them to be able to do point of care testing. If they have to send their results out, they have to send them very far. And again, that takes time to get things back, which slows down the care of their patients.
It makes it such a good company to work with because I'm able to offer our clients and all the patients that we service a wide range of testing.
Finally bringing in the new instrument, the SAVANNA, we are so ecstatic to have it because it offers the capability of a true PCR system as our big instruments we have in a smaller footprint.
It's going to be able to provide them with fast, accurate results to curb the HSV, VZV spread.
Really, really beneficial to them and to the community of El Paso.
So that was our main goal when we started, is to be able to get results out faster. And I hope we're able to continue doing that and doing it for even more people.
I'm very lucky with QuidelOrtho that our products are first-class products. I have a bag that not many other companies can compete with, in that I can go into pretty much any account out there in the market and have a product for them. From a rapid point of care test, to a quick antigen test, to PCR, to molecular, transfusion medicine, my bag is phenomenal. And as an account manager, that's a massive benefit.
At the end of the day, in this field, we're not in it for money. We're in it to take care of people. That's why we're public health. That's why I became a nurse 14 years ago. It's always, how can we take care of the patient? And that's a good priority to have.
Every single time I come in, it almost feels like I'm coming home, you know? It's true mom and pop reference home. Yep. They're excited about the future of our company, and we're excited about the future of their company. Good people with good products who care, and they'll be successful.
Hola, soy Jaime Arriola y soy el oficial de operaciones de Nexus Health Solutions y soy un cliente contento de QuidelOrtho.